first snowfall of the year of 2019. And I know you're wondering, like, you drive a Challenger in the wintertime? Yep, it's my daily driver. And I've been stuck in the snow maybe 3 times since I had this car. So I'm just going to go over a few things to keep you safe while driving your Challenger during the winter. First thing is tires. I have all season Firestone tires, so stock ones that come with the car when you buy it. They keep me safe. Like I said, I've been stuck maybe 3 times in the same spot, and that was last winter. And I was going down a side street, so when side streets are bad here, but down main roads, being able to drive to work is fine. Like I've never slipped or any of that while driving to work. No close encounters. So people are like really scared about driving a sports car in the wintertime. Like it's possible. Like you can't be, stomping on the pedal and thinking you can drive fast. You just keep it slow as you would in a regular car. Just being rear wheel drive, it's easy to slip. But like I said, if you keep it nice and steady, not pushing too much on the gas, you'll be fine. I've done this before, so no big issue. But I'll show you a couple of clips here and how it drives. I don't slip or anything. You can see the way I drive. Very careful. Keep it slow. There's no rush when you're driving in the wintertime. Take your time. Don't worry about the people around. Well, worry about the people around you, but don't let anybody rush you. Well, welcome to winter, Chicago. As you can see, I have a little bit of traction issues, but you can just about get out of the light snow if you don't floor it. You slowly give it acceleration. But for the most part, I'm on main roads when I travel to places. So this was a side road I was just driving on. So of course they don't plow those until later. So when I'm on the main road, it's pretty smooth. Like I don't run into any slipping like I was. But if you're thinking about buying a Challenger, just be mindful that at some point maybe you might get stuck if you're especially on side roads. So get winter tires. If you get winter tires, you shouldn't have any problems. Like I said, you don't want to use the power that you have to get out of those type of situations unless you're really deep stuck. And then I think the best solution is just rocking your car with momentum to get out of, when you're stuck in the snow in a ditch or something. Just momentum will help you get out of a little predicament. So that's all I got for today. Daily driving my Challenger the rest of this winter. So you'll be seeing more videos. We out.